Hi everyone, this is So Giraffe here, coming at you with another weekly vlog. So on Sunday, did not go down and go see my friend. Her little one was sick, but I did end up sewing one of the doll dresses for my plush that I'll be selling at the Lavender Festival. So I'm trying to get all of that squared away because it's almost June. Well, it is June now today. And then on Monday, I just sewed doll clothes all day. Those actually took me quite a bit of time. It's not something I was used to, but by the time I got done with it, I was really proficient. I started brainstorming on a new project, details to come soon. On Tuesday, I worked on some stitch embroidery, so I'm going to be having some stitch plush to sell at the Lavender Festival just because of the popularity with the new movie and just, I love stitch. I also did some mild cleaning that day, so that was good for my brain to kind of be able to see what I need to do and what I don't need to do. On Wednesday, I organized my projects into what is done, what needs to be done. I finished embroidering all of the stitch pieces because there's quite a few for each plush. Let's see here. I did some applications and then I updated my LinkedIn profile because I hadn't updated it for quite a few years. So hopefully that'll help. I'm still very hopeful. I'm trying to remain positive, but sometimes it's really hard. And then on Thursday, I ended up playing some video games for a bit. I've been enjoying the Fantasy Life video game. And then I went to town real quick, did a couple of errands, and then I finished some cat and bunny plush. These are the little tiny ones that I'll be selling for a relatively cheap price at the fair. Or at the festival, excuse me. Then on Friday, we did our grocery shopping, which, as you all know, I don't necessarily enjoy, but it needs to be done. Then I worked on my doll that I'm sewing for myself, my Fantasy Life character. I worked on the cow plush, and then I worked on my giraffes as well. It was really hot that day, so I felt very unproductive that day. And then on Saturday, we went down to Main Street, Ventura, did farmers market and also the craft fair that was going on. I did try to finish the cow plush that I had been working on. However, I had encountered a few issues, so I actually had to go back to the drawing board on a couple of pieces, just so that way people, regardless of the material they use, can still make a cute little cow plush. That was pretty much it for this week. This next week, hopefully, I hear back from someone. That's all my hope is. And then I can start moving forward with that. And then all my stuff is done for the festival. Just some minor details here and there, like the tag, like getting the tags attached and all that. But yeah, that was pretty much my week. I hope y'all's week was really good, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!